Okay, I'll be telling you about different things you can do in Drive. You can change the different fonts. You can go up to whatever, we'll go 30, and you can change the different colors of the text. You can bold different sections, or italicize it, or underline. You can have highlight different sections, or you can not have it, and you can enter image, search the web, or get from Drive or whatever. You can highlight the whole thing and then you can go numbers or on bullet points. You can also change the spacing if you need to. And then if you don't, you just click on that and go back to the normal. And then that's about it.